Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on the Amico Power 160 stick welder. I got this on Amazon for $160, and what comes with the kit is you get a stinger. The stinger's it's pretty cheap. There's not much spring to it, so when you let go and it's trying to hold the electrode, when you're trying to strike an arc, it will kind of give a little bit. It'll like wiggle around just a little bit. It doesn't really bother me too much, but it could be better. And as you can kind of see, the rivets in there aren't that deep. They could be deeper, and there's none over here. So when you just clamp it down, the electrode can wiggle around, slide around if you're striking the arc a little bit too aggressively. Let's talk about the ground clamp here. The ground clamp is very sturdy. I like it. Gets the job done. So that's nice. This is not. You could probably just get a replacement though from like Home Depot or something for $20. Can't complain about those for $160. It comes with a converter to try to plug it into a wall outlet like a regular one, but I do not recommend using this because I tried using it, and after about 5 seconds it'll just basically die. Like it'll just trip. And you can use it, but I couldn't really use it. I could only do little small tacks. So yeah, what I did was I got a 220 volt plug. I just put that in there, and it runs fine with the 220. So in the back over here is your, where is it? Your power switch is right here, so click it on, welder turns on, and let's see, here's the knob over here. It's a nice little knob. Goes all the way to 164, turn it all the way down, goes down to 21. This knob, the meter over here, kind of reads a little bit high. I'll say about like 10 or 20 amps high. So it's not too bad. It'll get the job done. So not much to complain over there. So yep, just turn that off. So I'm about to do some test runs just to show y'all how it performs. All right, guys. So we're just gonna be using some Hobart 7018 on this welder. We're gonna run it at around 140, probably 120, 120 amps on this, and then we're gonna use some. We're gonna use some Hobart 6011 on this piece of metal over here. So we'll see how it runs. So right now it's at 91. Let's turn it up a little bit. 135 is a little bit too high. 118. I think that's a good enough. So let's see. So as you can see, the welder has a really smooth arc, and I really like that. And it's really smooth, runs good, and I think that was a little bit too cool, but we'll see how we did over here. So I don't have a chipping hammer, but I got this wrench, so let's just whack this. Alright, where's my wire brush? So I just ran a small bead just for a test, and as you can see, it's pretty good. Excuse my welding skills. I'm not a professional or anything, but so yes, that is a 7018 running at 118 amps on a 3/16th? Yeah, 3/16th, I think. So now let's try running a 6011. Alright, now so we got a 6011 rod, and we'll try to do the same thing over here, just run a straight bead across. I think we're just going to run the same temperature. So let's try it. That's a little bit too high. 6011 is going right through. So let's turn it down to 99. Well, that's shit. Ooh. I'm not too good at 6011. Let's turn it down to 90. Like I was saying, the rod can wiggle a little bit, so you'll have a little bit of trouble starting it, but it should be fine. So 6011 was a major fail, as you can see. I'm not really good at welding, so 6018 just burned right through, and 7018 was good though. It was really smooth, liked it. 6011, I don't really like 6011 rods unless I'm trying to weld something that's like hard to get into, so I just need to penetrate in there, get a few tacks in. So yep, 6011 didn't do good. 7018 was good. And just as a few examples of what I've welded, that this gate over here, I've welded a part of this gate with that welder using the 6011, and it's holding up well. I mean, it holds the whole gate, so you know, it's like 500 pounds. I've been holding it up for about a few months now. That's good. This fire pit over here, you can weld this with that welder over there using the 7018. Of course, it's been holding up. Nice little project. So yeah, for 160 bucks, I definitely recommend this welder. Holds up a lot of things. Great for small projects if you want to do some, or even any big projects. So yeah, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.